You spent years trying to rank on Google, but what happens when your customers stop using Google altogether and start asking AI instead? That's not the future. That's happening right now. And there's a name for the strategy that keeps your business visible. It's called GEO, Generative Engine Optimization, and it could be the most important digital marketing shift your business makes in the next 12 months. Hi, I'm Muhammed Ismail, founder of Weblogic Botswana, your local digital transformation partner. Today, I want to break down exactly what GEO is, why it matters, and how to make sure your business gets found on AI platforms like ChatGPT and Gemini. Let's start with the basics. SEO, Search Engine Optimization, is about ranking higher on Google. You've probably invested in it. GEO is the next evolution. It's making sure your business gets mentioned and cited by AI-powered search tools. On Google, customers get a list of links and click one. On ChatGPT, they get a direct answer, one response, maybe 2 or 3 recommendations. If your business isn't in that answer, you don't exist to that customer. Businesses that understand this now will have a massive advantage. How does AI decide? It's trained on content from across the internet, websites, blogs, reviews, and social media. First, authority. Are you mentioned on reputable websites? Do other credible sources reference your business? Second, consistency. Is your business name and phone number exactly the same across every platform? Inconsistency confuses AI. Third, rich, helpful content. Does your website actually answer the questions your customers are asking? Real answers, not just keywords. Fourth, reviews. AI platforms trust businesses that other people trust. Positive reviews across multiple sites feed your credibility. A lot of people ask, if I'm already doing SEO, am I doing GEO? The honest answer is partially, but not fully. SEO focuses on ranking in a list. GEO focuses on being the answer in a conversation. One optimizes for clicks, the other for recommendations. SEO is about keywords. GEO is about context, authority, and trust. Strong SEO is your foundation, but GEO goes further. Now let me bring this home. In Botswana, most businesses are still catching up on basic SEO. This is actually a massive opportunity. Businesses that invest in GEO now will own the AI search results for Botswana-specific queries before the competition even wakes up. Imagine someone asking ChatGPT, who is the best digital transformation agency in Botswana? Or where can I register a .co.bw domain? The businesses that have built an authoritative presence will be the ones AI recommends. The window to get ahead is open right now. Here are 5 practical steps. Step 1, complete your Google My Business profile. Step 2, audit your online consistency everywhere. Step 3, create content that answers real questions, not keyword-stuffed articles, but genuinely helpful, specific answers. Step 4, build your review profile. Ask every satisfied customer for a review and respond to every single one. Step 5, get mentioned on credible local websites. Every local mention increases your authority in the eyes of an AI. The truth is, Google itself is now an AI engine. AI overviews already answer questions directly without users needing to click a link. Perplexity and ChatGPT are becoming primary research tools for business decisions. The game has fundamentally changed. SEO got businesses found on Google. GEO will get businesses found by AI. And in Botswana, the race has barely started. If you want to position your business correctly for this shift, contact Weblogic Botswana today. Don't forget to follow us for more updates.